Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find and delete all viruses on your iPhone. For that, we're going to open Settings, head over to Apps, scroll all the way down to find Safari, tap on Safari, scroll down to find Clear History and Website Data, tap on All History, and tap on All Profiles, then tap on Clear History to clear your browsing history on Safari. This may sometimes solve the problem. For the next step, you can head back over to Apps. Here, you can review the list of apps and check if there are any apps that you do not recognize or you have not downloaded and delete them. You can also head back over to Settings, head over to General, scroll down to find VPN and Device Management. Here, you can delete any unrecognized accounts that may be added to your device. If all else fails, as a last resort, you can head over to Settings and reset your device. For that, you need to open Settings, General, scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap on Reset. This will completely reset your iPhone and remove any malware or viruses from your device. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.